Buddhāvataṃsaka Flower Ornament Sutra, Chapter 1, The Wonderful Adornments of the Leaders of the Worlds. His body, adorned in many ways, is omnipresent. The lights from his pores are all pure. With compassionate techniques he teaches all. Flower Forest Topknot understands this. The Buddha body appears everywhere. It's boundless, filling all worlds in the 10 directions, all faculties pure, a joy to all beholders. This truth High Banner can understand. For eons, practicing diligently without flagging, unaffected by worldly things like empty space, by various means he edifies beings. Realizing this is jewel topknot. Sentient beings blindly enter dangerous paths. Pitying them, Buddha emits shining light, causing all beings thereby to awake. Awesome Light, understanding this, rejoices extensively cultivating practices in all states of being. He made offerings to innumerable Buddhas, causing beings who saw to make great vows. This great power can clearly enter. Seeing beings' sufferings in transmigration, always enshrouded by barriers of doing, he extinguishes all with the light of wisdom. This is the liberation of conquering all. Each of his pores emits subtle sound, praising the Buddhas in accord with beings' mentalities, pervading all quarters for uncounted ages. This is the door by which Light Orb has entered. Buddha appears throughout the 10 directions, expounding the subtle truth by various means, with an ocean of practices aiding all beings. This is what clearly seeing has understood. The gates of the teaching are boundless as the sea. He expounds it with one voice, making all understand, preaching forever, with never an end. Delving into this technique is Diamond Eye. Furthermore, the Earth Spirit, pure flower of universal virtue, found the door of liberation, constantly watching all sentient beings with an attitude of kindness and compassion.